Hello student, welcome to DAV Haripura online classes. Myself Deepika. Today we will discuss class 6 chapter 7 short and long question answer. Chapter name The Word of Living. Short and long question answer. Firstly, part D short question answer. Answer the following question in brief. Name any three important characteristics of living beings. Characteristics of living beings. लिविंग बींग्स ग्रो, लिविंग थिंग्स ग्रो, लिविंग थिंग्स ग्रो करते हैं, लिविंग थिंग्स रिप्रोड्यूस, लिविंग थिंग्स आर मेड अप ऑफ सेल्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, स्टेट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ऑटोट्रॉफ्स एंड हेटेरोट्रॉफ्स. आंसर ऑटोट्रॉफ्स. These plants prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. This is autotrophs. Heterotrophs, these plants cannot prepare their own food. They use the food synthesized by other plants or animals. Autotrophs example, all green plants. Heterotrophs, for example, animals, humans, birds, etc. Question number 3, give two examples each of annual, biennial and perennial plants. Answer, first annuals. Pea plants, pea plants, maize. Biennial, bi it means beta 2. So biennial ये 2 सीजन तक रहते हैं, कैरेट एंड रेडिश. पेरिनियल, मैंगो एंड गवावा. 4, give two examples each of animals which reproduce by laying eggs and by giving birth to young ones. By laying eggs, hen and fish. By giving birth, cow, human beings. Question number 5, give two example each of vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates, human beings and birds or fish. बेटा वर्टिब्रेट्स वो होते हैं जिनमें बैकबोन प्रेजेंट होती है और जिसे हम कहते हैं नोटोकॉर्ड. नोटोकॉर्ड प्रेजेंट होती है वो होते हैं वर्टिब्रेट्स, एंड जिसमें नोटोकॉर्ड और बैकबोन एब्सेंट होती हैं वो होते हैं इनवर्टिब्रेट्स. फॉर एग्जांपल अर्थवर्म, स्नेल एंड स्टारफिश. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, राइट द नेम्स ऑफ एनी 4 यूजफुल प्रोडक्ट्स ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम प्लांट्स. अपने को 4 यूजफुल प्रोडक्ट बताने हैं जो प्लांट से ऑब्टेन होते हैं. फर्स्ट, वी ऑब्टेन ऑयल, स्पाइसेस, वेजिटेबल्स एंड ग्रेन्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर पार्ट ई, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. ऑल लिविंग थिंग्स रेस्पॉन्डेड टू एक्सटर्नल स्टिमुलाई. जस्टिफाई दिस स्टेटमेंट विद एग्जाम्पल्स. आंसर, all living organisms respond to different stimuli such as touch, light, heat and sound. Animals like earthworm move away from light and saline media. Next question, a cloud is considered as non-living even though it can move and can grow bigger. Explain why. A cloud is considered as non-living even though it can move and can grow bigger because it can't breathe like living things. वो ये क्या करते हैं, ब्रेथ नहीं कर सकते, सांस नहीं ले सकते लिविंग थिंग्स की तरह. It cannot take food items. A cloud is not made up of cells. A cloud cannot respond to different stimuli. Next question is the right 2 points of difference between herbs and shrubs and tree. So herbs are very small plants. They have soft and green stem. Shrubs are medium sized plant and they have a hard wood stem. And shrubs and trees, shrubs are medium sized plant. They have a hard wood stem. Trees are tall and large plant. They have strong and woody stem. Question number 4, state the difference between biennial and perennial plants. Biennial, by it means 2 seasons. So these plants live for 2 seasons. But perennial plants, these plants live for many years. Biennial plants example carrot and radish, and perennial plants for example mango and neem. Next question, name two type of terrestrial plants. How do they differ on the basis of their habitat and water requirements? Terrestrial plants have two types, mesophytes and xerophytes. They are differ on the basis of their habitats and water requirements. First, mesophyte plants. These plants grow on land and need moderate amount of water supply for their survival. Xerophyte plants. These plants grow on desert land and need very small amounts of water for their survival. Some examples of mesophytes are mango tree and apple tree. But xerophyte plants, some example of xerophyte plants are cactus or bubble. Next question is how are vertebrates different from invertebrates? Vertebrates, they have a backbone, but invertebrates, they do not have a backbone, which is made vertebrates, which is made up of several small ring-like bones called vertebra. Vertebrates, these animals are well developed and have a bony skeleton, but invertebrates, these animals have a soft body. Examples vertebrates के ह्यूमन बींग्स, फिश एंड फ्रॉग. हमारे में भी क्या होती हैं? वर्टिब्रेट्स प्रेजेंट होती है, फिश में भी होती हैं एंड फ्रॉग में भी. इनवर्टिब्रेट्स एग्जाम्पल अर्थवर्म एंड स्नेल. Next, write any 4 uses of animals in our daily life. Uses of animals. Animals like camels and horse are used for transportation of humans and materials. We get any different products like leather, wool and silk from animals. Animal excreta is used as manure and for producing gobar gas. Many edible products like milk, honey, eggs and meat are obtained from animals. So, our D and E part completed. Thank you, beta.